Welcome to BOC, the UK and Ireland's largest supplier of industrial gases and supporting products. Our expert and class-leading products include the Stainshield range of specialist shielding gases, which deliver superb results in terms of quality, efficiency and appearance when MIG, MAG or TIG welding stainless steel. Exactly formulated to produce the best results when working with stainless steel, the Stainshield range enables professional welders to achieve the strong, smooth, clean and defect-free welds they are seeking. A quicker weld, saving time and therefore money, and reducing the need for time-consuming and expensive rework and finishing. Argon, carbon dioxide and helium are combined in different quantities for MIG and MAG welding applications. And by introducing helium into our shielding gases, more heat is transferred into the weld than when using just argon alone, whilst carbon dioxide further improves arc stability. Stainshield is available in a range of cylinder sizes delivered direct to our customers by BOC's own fleet, ensuring fast, professional delivery throughout the UK and Ireland. Ordering Stainshield, as well as our other shielding gases, is simple. Just go online to boconlineshop.com.